asuntosykeyhtiö Suvelan Kirstinsyrjä.
This is amazing. Today on the 23rd of June 2022 we have Kirstinsyrjä, or Kirstibrinken Salmonstegisi here in Suvela, Cedric, close to Espoon keskus, Espoo Centrum, here in Espoo, in the Helsinki-Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, Finland. And unfortunately they're going to replace these elevators soon, but we're still filming the original one. We started on the Stekes A already.
Yeah.
We still have the Stekes BC and D film here. BNC, I mean. And we are in the Stekes C, so we can get 2 of 3 here. We can also go to the Stekes B soon. It was built in 1974 by Kone with AP8 fixtures, probably, or not 74. And it would have been 50 years old in 2024, but it's going to be replaced soon. This number is H32209. With memory. Maybe it's faster. Well, still amazing.
Yeah.
But we would have been inspected next year, 2023.
Yeah.
With Swedish and Finnish on the warning sign.
Yeah.
Luckily we still found the code to come inside here.
Yeah. Titta kiva, jos nyt menee eteenpäin Espoon hissikin.
One more thing, and that once now we have the code here, one can also come back here after replaced. So
Yeah.
it's the new version sold here
Yeah.
later.
That's